Hello everyone, my name is Anya. Today we have morning yoga, which will help to wake up to the body, recharge and tune into the day. Before the exercises, I usually practice on an empty stomach or 30 minutes after a light snack. And today my friend will help me with this.
Hi, my name is Maria.
So before each exercise you need to warm up and stretch, and we will have it somewhere up to 3 minutes. And now exercise simple breathing. We do simple breathing on the count of 3. Inhale, hold for 3, exhale for 3, hold your breath, and so on 3 circles. The next exercise is cat and cow. It helps to correct the posture and feel cheerful. After this, we're doing next exercise. And now the basic poses. The pose upward facing dog. This type of messaging effect, along with forward bends, edges and twists, has a beneficial effect on blood flow and accordingly the saturation of body tissues with oxygen and nutrients. After this, the next exercise is tree pose. This exercise is for balance. There is much to learn from the tree, its strength, resilience, calmness, the correct exchange of energy between heaven and earth. The benefits of the exercise provide balance and equilibrium, improve the nervous system, restore health. And so we made simple exercises that help you feel cheerful all day long. We want to wish you a good day and motivation to do this regularly.
See you soon!